Good day. The question of space, time, infinity, the universe. What does the universe expand into? I'll give you my limited understanding. First of all, if I read and interpreted the Bible correctly, and you can read it for yourself, it talks about three heavens. The first being the earth, terra firma. The second being the universe and the planets. And the third being heaven itself, where God resides. Switch that over to Einstein's theory of relativity and his theory of space-time, the universe, and energy equals mc squared. We live ourselves in a three-dimensional world. So if we take a Rubik's Cube as an example, we can only see three sides at any given time, no matter how we switch the Rubik's Cube. We live in a three-dimensional world. Einstein explained that time is the fourth dimension. And it was also explained in this way: if we take a cup and we take one little guy here and we put one little guy here and we pretend that they're walking around the inside of the cup. Let's pretend that they only live in a two-dimensional world, not a three-dimensional world like we live in. So if they can only see two dimensions at any given time, so to them their world appears flat. And as they're walking around, they can't see each other because that would be a third dimension. They can only see what's in front of them. But if they have walkie-talkies, even though they're walking around, they can talk to each other. That walkie-talkie and radio signals would be the third dimension, thereby proving that they do, in fact, there is a third dimension, even though they live in a three-dimensional or a two-dimensional world. Whereas we live in a three-dimensional world, and although we can't see it and can't explain it quite right, time being the fourth dimension. Of course, other theorists, I believe, have figured out that we may have as many as 12 dimensions. Also, Einstein was saying that the shortest distance between 2 points is not a straight line, it's a curve. As the universe, as it expands, it actually curves around itself, and it can't be drawn, although he can prove it apparently mathematically, or he could prove it. And therefore, if you shine a beam of light, that eventually, after millions and billions and trillions of years, that beam of light would come back to itself. That's my limited understanding. Perhaps some people could expand on that, or correct me where I'm wrong on that part. Thank you.